time I got into the water, I came back with a bunch of sand, and it was bad, and it was just not looking pretty. It was not looking nice. Let me put this back here, because what is this? What is this? It was not looking like this when I left home. I don't think it was. I'm gonna leave it back here. But I don't know why, but this morning it was hard for me to stay off my phone and get up out of bed. So I just forced myself to film a video, which helps me stay off my phone. So I did that, and that's what it got us to right here. Yay! Pretty. I'm just have y'all look at the view though. Like, look at this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and like give my heart. Exactly. You feel better about it.
Oh shoot, let's see. This looks kind of scary, like being the ocean and stuff. Look at that. See that? See that? That looks scary. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just stay here and watch some of the surfers go through all these waves. Like, this is all that along the coast. That's crazy. Like, these people have like a lot of courage and are real brave. Look at that guy. See him? Oh. This is cool. walked all the way down back there. Now I'm gonna start turning around and heading back because there's nothing else to look at out there. But it was really nice, you know, seeing like the scenery and everything. But it's time to go back. They have a pirate outside. That's cool. Hey, I just got back. Guess what I got? I got Dairy Queen. Yay. Sadly, while I was waiting for the train to come, tell me why it took the train a whole hour instead of half an hour to get there. They recently changed their times, so it takes now a whole hour to wait for another train instead of half an hour. Crazy. Just crazy. While I was waiting, I finished my whole entire drink. I got the mocha, the white mocha milkshake. So good. It was so good. But for food, I got a 4-piece chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, and fries with ranch dipping sauce. I'm so tired. I got story time still. While I'm unpacking, I'm gonna tell you guys a quick story time. Tell me why, as I was taking a video of myself to take like pictures at the pier, tell me why someone literally walked next to me. Like, you guys could see it in the clip. Someone tried walking next to me and acted like they was gonna steal my phone or something. They was mad dogging me and giving me dirty looks, like they was looking like, and I walked away. Crazy. But yeah, that happened.
Goals! Actual goals. AF. Literally my life.
Yeah. Also, tell me why I used my Dairy Queen gift card. Maxed out the whole card. It better taste good though. It better taste worth it. Anyways, that's all. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and eat Dairy Queen. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and I'll come right back to you guys. Because today's not over. The night is not over for us.
Jada, get in the car, nigga. Come on, we finna roll out. Nigga, I got a pack of blacks and a beat CD. Get your freestyles ready.